How to redeem Disney rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Disney rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Redeeming with a Disney Rewards redemption card is flexible and easy. You can think of your redemption card like a gift card and use it toward almost anything Disney. You can redeem reward dollars at most Disney locations in the US and online toward Disney resort stays and park tickets, purchases at disneystore.com, tickets for Disney, Disney and Pixar, Star Wars, and Marvel movies at amctheaters.com or on the AMC Theaters mobile app, and so much more. Simply present your redemption card at checkout and use the available balance as payment. For online purchases, enter the Disney Rewards redemption card number and security code found on the card during the checkout process. You can also access your card number and security code in the Chase mobile app. And as mentioned before, you can also redeem toward movie tickets online at amctheaters.com or on the AMC Theaters mobile app. Once you add a qualifying Disney movie ticket to your cart, you will have the option use your Disney Rewards redemption card as a form of payment towards all or part of your movie ticket. So, this is how you can redeem Disney rewards. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Challenge for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.